Question number 291. Imagine you work as a Power BI developer for a large retail company with multiple departments. Each department creates its own sales report, but they all need to adhere to the company's branding guidelines. You need to create a consistent look and feel across all reports, including specific font style, color palettes, and chart formatting. Example, bar chart, column weight, axis label styles. Task: what is the most efficient and effective way to achieve a consistent branded theme across multiple Power BI reports? Option A, from Power BI Desktop, customize the current theme. Option B, from Power BI Desktop, use a built-in report theme. Option C, create a theme as a PBI VIZ file and import the theme into Power BI Desktop. Option D, create a theme as a JSON file and import the theme into Power BI Desktop. The correct answer is option D. Create a theme as a JSON file and import the theme into Power BI Desktop. A JSON theme allows you to centrally define fonts, colors, and visual formattings and reuse it across multiple reports. This ensures consistent branding, is easy to share and update, and is the recommended enterprise approach compared to manual customization or built-in themes. Question number 292. In the process of designing a report centered on the sales metrics of products alongside their customer attrition rates, your objective is to configure the visualization to exclusively showcase the top 8 products that are experiencing the highest levels of customer attrition. Propose solution. You implement a top-end filter at the visual level to display the top 8 products. Is this an appropriate solution? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. A top-end filter applied at the visual level is the correct approach to display only the top 8 products based on highest customer attrition. It dynamically ranks products by the selected attrition measure and limits the visuals to the top results, matching the requirement precisely. Question number 293. You manage a dynamic online retail platform database hosted on Azure SQL database, tracking order details and customer interactions in real time. To enhance customer satisfaction and operational efficiency, you aim to identify and address any anomalies in order processing times within minutes of their occurrence. What should you do? Option A. Implement a complex stored procedure. Option B. Adjust the query performance optimization settings. Option C. Utilize the imported data connectivity mode in Power BI. Option D. Opt for the direct query data connectivity mode in Power BI. The correct answer is option D. Opt for the direct query data connectivity mode in Power BI. Direct query queries Azure SQL database in near real time, ensuring anomalies in order processing times are visible within minutes. Import mode relies on scheduled refreshes, which cannot provide the immediacy required for real-time operational monitoring. Question number 294. You are a data analyst for a bookstore chain. You have two datasets stored in Excel files. Books contains information about each book, ISBN, title, author, genre, price. Inventory contains data about the stock levels of each book at different store locations, ISBN, store ID, quantity. You need to combine these datasets in Power Query to analyze which books are selling well in each store and identify any potential stock shortages. The combined dataset should include all the columns from both datasets. Task: which Power Query operation should you use to combine the books and inventory datasets? Option A, merge queries. Option B, combine files. Option C, append queries. The correct answer is option A, merge queries. Merge queries is used to join two tables based on a common key, in this case ISBN, and include columns from both datasets. Append is for stacking rows, and combine files is for consolidating multiple files with the same structure, not for relational analysis. Question number 295. Within a Power BI model, you are looking to organize items into a display folder for picture management and navigation. Identify all the items that can be grouped into a display folder. Option A, calculated column. Option B, column. Option C, measure. Option D, hierarchies. The correct answers are option A, calculated column. Option B, column. Option C, measure. Option D, hierarchies. Display folders in Power BI are a metadata feature used to logically organize fields in the fields pane without affecting the underlying data model. You can place regular columns, calculated columns, measures, and hierarchies into display folders to make large or complex models easier to navigate and more user-friendly for report authors and consumers. Just a quick reminder, if you don't have time to watch these videos and instead download all questions and answers, feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 296. Imagine you are building a Power BI report to analyze sales data for a large retail chain with stores across the United States. You have a dataset with information about each sale, including the car model sold, the date of the sale, the region where the sale occurred, and the sales amount. To protect sensitive sales data, you need to implement row-level security, RLS. This means controlling which users can see which parts of the data based on the roles within the company. You have two specific roles to manage. East Coast Sales. This role is for sales managers responsible for the East Coast region. They should only be able to see sales data from the region, example New York, New Jersey, Florida. Recent sales. This role is for analysts who need to focus on recent sales trends. They should only be able to see sales data from the last 12 months, regardless of the region. Now, let's say you have a user named Sarah who needs access to sales data. Sarah is both a sales manager for an East Coast region and an analyst who needs to review recent sales trends. So she belongs to both the East Coast sales and recent sales roles. Question: given that Sarah is a member of both roles, what data will she be able to see in the Power BI report? Option A. Sarah will see all sales data, regardless of region or date. Option B. Sarah will see an error and will not be able to access the report. Option C. Sarah will see only sales data from the East Coast regions. Option D. Sarah will see only sales data from the East Coast regions within the last 12 months. Option E. All sales data from the East Coast and all sales from the last 12 months. The correct answer is option D. Sarah will see only sales data from the East Coast regions within the last 12 months. In Power BI, when a user belongs to multiple row-level security roles, the filters are combined using an AND logic. This means Sarah will only see data that satisfies both role conditions at the same time, limited to East Coast sales that occurred within the last 12 months. Question number 297. Match the Power BI service feature with its appropriate use case. Features: 1. Apps. 2. Direct Query. 3. Power BI Gateway. 4. Workspaces. Use cases: A. Sharing a curated set of dashboards and reports with broader audiences. B. Accessing on-premises data sources in real time. C. Collaborating on BI projects within a team. D. Querying large datasets without importing them into Power BI. Option A 1B, 2D, 3A, 4C. Option B 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A. Option C 1A, 2C, 3B, 4D. Option D 1A, 2D, 3B, 4C. The correct answer is option D 1A, 2D, 3B, 4C. Apps are used to distribute curated dashboards and reports to a wider audience. Direct Query queries data at the source without importing large datasets. The Power BI Gateway enables real-time access to on-premises data. Workspaces support collaboration among team members on BI content. Question number 298. Which of the following is not a data connectivity mode in Power BI? Option A, import. Option B, direct query. Option C, live query. Option D, connect live. The correct answer is option C, live query. Power BI data connectivity modes include import, direct query, and live connection, often shown as Connect Live. Live query is not an official data connectivity mode in Power BI. It is a common but incorrect term used informally to describe live connections. Question number 299. To create a custom column in Power BI using tags that concatenates the first three letters of a product name with the year of the sale date, you should use the blank space function combined with blank space. Option A, left format. Option B, concatenate year. Option C, substitute text. Option D, write date. The correct answer is option A, left format. In DAX, left function extracts the first n characters from a text string. Here, the first three letters of the product name, and format function converts a date or number into a text string. Here, extracting the year from the sale date. Combining these functions allows you to create a custom column. Question number 300. In your Power BI project, you are tasked with integrating customer information and order details into a unified data set for analysis. You are working with two tables, customer info, which holds detailed information on customers, and order details, which records each customer's transaction. Your objective is to consolidate these tables into a single, navigable dataset while ensuring no customer information is omitted, even if some customers have not placed orders. What action should you take to achieve this? Option A, generate a composite key. Option B, concatenate the queries for customer info and order details. Option C, activate Assume Referential Integrity option in Power BI. Option D, combine customer info with order details using a left outer join. The correct answer is option D, combine customer info with order details using a left outer join. A left outer join ensures that all rows from the left table, customer info, are included in the resulting dataset, even if there are no matching rows in the right table, order details. This guarantees that customers without orders are still present in the unified dataset, which is essential for complete customer analysis. Concatenating queries or creating a composite key doesn't preserve en masse customer records. This is the end of 300 questions and answers for Power BI Data Analyst Associate or PL 300. I hope with my videos you will be able to pass the exam. Wish you all the best and see you in my next video.